Hello guys and welcome to the MD channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can render your animation in Blender and make it in a video form. So as you can see, I have made an animation in Blender. I'm going to show you how you can render it and make it a video. So first of all, you need to go into render settings here. Okay, so now you need to select your render engine. I am selecting eevee because it's a lot faster. In the sampling, select the render and increase it to 250. Now go there. And here you need to select your starting frame and ending frame. I have 250 frames in my animation, so I'm starting from frame 1 and ending on 250. So now from here you need to select the PNG format, and that's it. From here you can select colors and other things. You can also choose the output path for your animation, where the animation will be saved. You can select drive or any folder you want, and I'm just rendering it. From here you can just click on render animation and it will render all the frames. So after all the frames are rendered, you're gonna see them like this. It's gonna save every frame as a picture in your PC. Now you have to combine them and make a video. So now open Blender again and go to video editing. Once there, click on add and select image sequence. Now go to the folder where you have saved your animation. So here are all the frames. Press A on your keyboard and it will select all the frames and just add them. So now it's combined and you can see the full animation in video form. Now you have to render it in jpeg format so you can watch it as a video, or send it to anyone, or you can just make it a video. So guys, now you have to go there and select ffmpeg and select the resolution, and anything you want to change you can change it from here. Choose frame rate. I'm choosing it on 24 fps. Now you have to just render animation again and it will render it a lot faster than before. Now let it be rendered and I'm going to show you how this animation looks like after being rendered. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more informational videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.